secretary. Plus, I have been umpiring over here since last 10 years. I have been umpiring with Mr. Moju also, Mr. Di Medro, and many other guys even in Nairobi. Unfortunately, okay, I was supposed to say we have not got the opportunity to play over. Now, on behalf of we are not going further, on behalf of the Coast Cricket Association, and indeed on behalf of every person who has held the noble game of the cricket here in this country, I stand before you with the full heart, gratitude, purpose of the formal word of thanks. First and foremost, I will sincere thanks each and every one for raising this each and every historical cricketing union. Your presence, your tonight is the true measure of the event success. This gathering is not a meeting, this is a celebration of the shared history. Enduring the passion and the invisible spirit that blinds all who have served this game. We are proudly indebted to our special guests, especially the bodies whose belief and backing made and vision a reality. Our deeply appreciation to Mr. Qasim Ali, CEO of Africa Cricket Association, ICC, and ICC Africa, and the estimated propaganda and the companion of the game at the highest level. Umpire Cricket Kenya and the Nairobi Provisional Cricket Association and the Cricket Kenya Umpires and Scorers Association and Coast Cricket Association for the invaluable collaborated and the support. The past cricket reunion and the various local clubs who are living legacy of the game we are starting today. Our friends in the Kenya and international media for helping us tell us the story of the cricket of the coast and beyond. A very thankful to Mr. Chairman, Trustee, and the staff of Milta Club, your hospitality and your use of your wonderful venue and provided us with the perfect seating and our historical union, for our historical union. The momentum task, fundamental task is organizing an inauguration event like the rest on our shoulder of the dedicated few of our organization committee, Mr. Vishram, Mr. Guru, Mr. Jasmer, Mr. Subhash Modi, Mr. Bobby Doshi, and myself, and every volunteer whose name may not be mentioned in the list, who has effort, are deeply felt. We say thank you. Your countless hours, marvelous planning and unwavering commitment have you brought all us together tonight. Finally, I thank you to umpire every scorer, every player in this room. You are the audience of the fair play, the keeper of the scoreboard, and the lifeblood of the cricket by the history and the future of Kenya cricket. May this reunion be the first and of many. May the friendship reunite, grow stronger, and may be collective and love the cricket to flourish. Thank you. God bless all and have a wonderful evening. I would like the chairman to step on to have us a few words. The closing speech.
Thank you very much. I like to request our current chairman to say a few words, please. Yeah, you can come here. Before I officially start my speech, we have got two congratulatory messages. One is from Tom Tikoro. He said, "This is lovely. Our felicitations to Coast Cricket Empires Association is in order. May the standards grow both in quality and quantity for the betterment of the game in the region." This is from Tom Tikoro. And then I got one from a very prominent member of this club and also a past sportsman in Mombasa who is now based in Nairobi. I will read his message, then I say, "Congratulations to the first reunion for Coast Empires and scorers at the Muita Tennis Club today. During my cricket career, I always respected and appreciated the role of the empires and scorers, who are the unsung heroes of the noble game of cricket. The first cricket ever played in Kenya was played in 1896 in Mombasa. I hope you guys all enjoyed the evening in my hometown of Mombasa and at my family's home club, Muita Tennis Club. Congratulations to the organizers and all those who are attending. Asif Karim, former Kenya cricket and tennis captain." Okay, those are from Asif Karim. These are word of wisdom. Okay, gentlemen, I will not take much of your time. There are a few things, some protocols there will be mentioned, and distinguished guests, officials, empires, scorers, and friends of the great game of cricket. Good evening. On behalf of the Past Cricketers Union Committee, it is a great honor and privilege to stand before you today at this historic occasion. The first ever Coast Empires and Scorers Association Reunion 2026. This moment marks not just a gathering, but the beginning of a meaningful tradition, like earlier you had mentioned. First and foremost, allow me to congratulate the Coast Empires and Scorers Association for organizing this reunion. To bring together individuals who have served the game with integrity, discipline, and commitment is no small achievement. think you guys deserve a Your efforts ensure that the invaluable contribution of umpires and scorers, often made quietly and behind the scenes, are recognized, celebrated, and preserved, like you have preserved. But as past cricketers, we know very well that the spirit of the cricket is upheld not only by those who play the game, but equally by those who officiate it. Umpires and scorers are the custodians of fairness, accuracy, and respect, values that define cricket itself. Your role has been and continues to be fundamental to the growth and credibility of the sports along the coast and beyond. This first reunion lays the foundation for a lasting legacy. It provides an opportunity to reconnect, to share experience, to mentor the next generation, and to safeguard the rich history of cricket in your region. We strongly encourage you to continue nurturing this association, strengthening its unity, and passing on the standards and values that have guided you over the years, especially the seniors. On behalf of the Past Cricketers Reunion Committee, I would also like to assure you that we stand with you. Should you require any support, guidance, collaboration, and advice, please know that our doors are always open. We believe that working together, players, umpires, and scorers strengthens the entire cricketing community. In closing, I wish the Coast Umpires and Scorers Association every success in this new chapter. May this reunion be the first of many, and may your legacy continue to inspire respect for the game we all love. Thank you, and I wish you a memorable and a successful reunion. Now, on behalf of my committee, I would like to call upon Mr. Subhash Modi, who is also part of my committee, to give a token of appreciation to the Coast Cricket Association for the Past Cricketers Reunion. They are all, and I would like the Chairman Vishnu and Naveen, please, on our behalf, if you can accept this. There are some old tokens. You can take it. I would like Subhash Modi to give it to you.
With your permission, let me request everybody to join us.
Yes, please. Please.
Please, we would like everybody to come.
Can everybody please come at the podium to accept the token of appreciation from the chairman and the committee member of the Kenyan Past Cricketers. Please can we have everybody come forward to the podium, please. The token of appreciation has been presented to the chairman.
First, we would like the secretary to take this token.
No, I want everybody.
On
in
this
a
side.
picture. Can you turn this way?
That's fine. We come on.
Can we have the secretary of the Coast Umpires, Mr. Bhavi Panchal, please to come forward and accept the token of appreciation? It's okay, yeah, brother.
We want you here. Please, after the ceremony, how can we leave? People are here. Can you see everybody? Please.
Sorry.
Thank you, Sandeep. Okay, yeah.
1 minute.
Congratulations, eh?
1 minute. One more.
Okay, your stuff.
Thank you very much.
I'd like to present to the chairman.
Can the chairman, Mr. Vishram, and I please come forward and accept the token of appreciation?
Thank you. Congratulations.
Thank you very much. Gentlemen, please be seated.
Keep your spirit alive.
As we still go on, we have going to be served some fightings, so please do not leave without having fightings. General, please.
This reunion has happened after my chairmanship, and I know how you feel because you have once you had it, and I like to request maybe next reunion, hopefully next year, but we would like to call a few more members, our captains of this current captains, maybe some past cricketers. I like to request even whoever will be in the chair, we invite them so that we have a little bit gathering here. Thank you very much, and then thank you very much to all of you who has come all the way from Nairobi. Thank you very much.
One of our unsung heroes, Tudu, has not introduced.
Really, yeah, but he is the master of ceremony, and last he has to do it because he has to say some more.
No, yes,
Yes,
so he was the vice chairman also for the Empire and Association.
Even he was a chairman, he was the one who was controlling the Empire Association. Anyway, Mr. Kutubai, with the permission from the secretary, I like to call Mr. Kutubai to come and say a few words.
Before I hand over to Sir Kutubai, I'd just like to ask him. You know, he took an absence of leave, yet us requesting him to come back to the umpiring frame. But you know, to make Kutub to believe, to come back, because he is one man who's well known in these umpiring circles for making his best decisions which are made for cricket. So welcome, sir. And you have to, and please explain to us, you are going to stick around.
Okay. Thank you, gentlemen. Thank you. I was not actually being ignored, but they knew that I will come back at the end and speak for myself. Gentlemen, thank you very much for attending. We know that we don't have the numbers, but we are not bothered about the numbers. What we have achieved today is something which will go on again and again, and hope we get numbers in the future. I think even the past cricketers started off with the small numbers, and now today they are mammoth. They can actually get over 200 members, and I hope we will do the same thing. I think I don't need introduction. Everybody knows who I am. But I just have a small history which I need to put forward on the table. I think Mr. Asaf Ghulam Hussain and Mr. Ghulam Khalp have known me since I was a small child and be a young, angry man. Well, those were the times when there were rivalry between teams, but it was very healthy. We used to play cricket with a lot of zest, with a lot of temperament, with a lot of commitment, and at that time, as everybody said, the crowd came first before even the game started. But now it is the other way around. The umpires walk in first before the players come in too. It's a pity that this thing has happened. But I am actually very much honored to be part of this committee. And I'm also glad that I've been brought back into umpiring games because we don't have many umpires for the first, which is a pity, though we don't have a lot of cricket being played. The other thing, before I leave, is I would like to make this very short, is my elevation to umpiring to international status today was because of one seminar which was held in Nairobi by Mr. Moni, which was conducted on behalf of the ICC Africa, Mr. Dalet Hussein Ayub. That was an opportunity for all the umpires in Kenya to actually elevate themselves, and it did happen. After that seminar, my first appointment came in Dar es Salaam after 3 months. Then there was no stopping. And it went on until I have no regrets, truly speaking. I thank Mr. Modi for that, who actually pushed the elevation of other empires. But today, it is a pity to note that the system which is running cricket in Kenya is done and dusted. I'm sorry to say, but I always call a spade a spade. I don't mince my word. A lot of corruption has taken place. Cricket Kenya is not cricket anymore. Everybody is for himself. The other thing, USA, as my chairman said, USA was formed in 2018 because the KCUSA Coast Branch was de-affiliated 20 plus years ago. And up to now, we have not had any word because we know that KCUSA in Nairobi also has been very active. The main board has been very inactive. So, gentlemen, we would actually like to take this opportunity because the chairman of KCUSA is here. I would like the chairman of Coast Branch and the secretary to sit with him, take some notes, and make sure that the Coast Branch has been revived, re-affiliated, and business goes on. Because today, Nairobi Provincial Cricket Association does not appoint umpires from KCUSA. They have their own branch like the Coast Branch has. And it is a shame that today we don't have a governing body. It was a pride that we used to have KCUSA as a governing body, but today it's lacking. We need to reverse that. We need to bring it back. We need to bring the pride back. Without the umpires, the game of cricket cannot move on. As they say, we are the masters of the game. But anyway, I don't want to prolong my speech. I thank you, gentlemen. Enjoy your snacks. Thank you very much for coming. We appreciate your time. I'd like to thank Mr. Jasmer Singh for the media efforts. We'd like to thank Mr. Asghar Ali Qasim coming from Nairobi, Mr. Sandeep Shah coming from Nairobi, also Mr. Koshik Rajapati coming from Nairobi. I will not forget my all uncles, Ghulam Thakur and Mr. Asaf Ghulam Hussain. I know we learned a lot through them when we actually playing. I played under them, they were officiated, and I even officiated games. They are the people who took my exams at the post. Then came the KCUSA body with Mr. Modi, Mr. Lalji, and everybody who took our exams. So I think I appreciate that very much. Thank you very much, gentlemen. But before I leave, I'd like to introduce Mr. Asghar Qasim Ali to come forward and say a few words. Thank you, gentlemen.
Hello, good evening, and thank you very much for inviting us, me, Koshik, and Sandeep. Now, I can support what he said, and it's really a very big problem we have in Nairobi, especially. Even NPCA now runs their own empire association without the consent, and normally you see when you have an association, it runs even when Subhash or Vipul also say that when the invitation comes from the Africa Cricket Association, they always appoint, they announce to Kenya Cricket. Then Kenya Cricket is supposed to call us and then we elect the empire, but it doesn't work that way. The people who are in the CK, they appoint themselves without our consent and nothing happens. This is where the problems are. Even the time when you organize the tournament, you always look for the funds or the sponsors to run the association or the cricket. Here we don't have any sponsors. We don't. Every time we have a problems with the payment. 6 months after, 4 months after, they do the payment to the Empire Association, which we bear to give our own members because we have a surplus in our account. But the problem is that the biggest problem today, when the NPCA appoints the empire, they are paying the same amount, which they had an issue of reducing the amount. They are paying the same amount and on cash without delay. So I don't understand really why did they went directly to the empires, and then I release all the empires because as the constitution says, no empire is allowed to go to empire without the consent of the association. But I released because cricket was important to us, that let cricket go on. But it didn't work because the problem that NPCA plays the card, they are the one who are playing the cricket, they appoint their own empires which is supports their own team, which is not workable. Empire is always to be fair. The decision of the empire also is whatever we see, we give. It's not that we have a biasness or something. Always we should learn these things, that we are empiring for what you say, fairness of a cricket. So these are the things, many things that happen in Nairobi especially. And CK also, that's why we were saying in the beginning that 7 to 8 teams are now gone. They don't have finance, they don't have anything, they don't have sponsors. Now tomorrow they have started T20 again in Nairobi, which is going on with their own empire. So this is, I will support Kutub what he said, I support Liverpool and Subhash. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Abdullah. Mr. Ghulam has requested, we would like to have said a few words on this important issue. Mr. Kapu, please remain there.
Just to let you all know, I'm the first one, right? When I address, it's always been my pleasure to address people. Now, after looking at this concert here, you know the world is changing to ladies. We don't have any lady empires. I think that would encourage people to come into cricket. He was the only one. But I would suggest we do a registration campaign for that. And the other thing is, we should be campaigning in schools. Now, if we are doing it to schools, let's do it to schools. You know the Africans started playing cricket when it was introduced in schools, in African schools. And I am ex-teacher, so I know exactly what was given to us. The ministry enforced all the equipment. It's all donated and everything. At present, the government is sponsoring 25% of the sports budget for golf, for your information. 25% of the sports budget. All the school children have been given golf sets. Right? And I know I'll be managing the children there, so I know exactly what is happening. So I think we need, I know what you are doing at present is keeping ourselves in one camp. We have to go look outside the box. Let's look at the ministries, get their effort put into so that we can all fight it out together.
Thank you, Mr. Ramali Naku. I think, gentlemen, snacks has been served. There is more coming. So just enjoy and probably.
I would like to speak on.
Yes, please, Mr. Kawai. As an empire, as I came in, I was pushed to become an empire. Yeah? Because you can empire, you cannot play as a player. So I took the empire. So empire. And I can say my teacher, my guidance, and professor, Mr. Kutub, who has given me all the things, all the knowledge, what I needed. And now I'm perfect because of him. So he is even my idol. And some of them, of course, you are there also. We work together. We have empire together.
We are always there for
Yeah. So, I'm saying, the post cricket umpiring to bring it up is only Mr. Kutub. Nobody else. Thank you very much, Mr. Kutub. Okay, gentlemen, I think we are done. But as I say, more food is coming. We can sit here, enjoy ourselves.
Thank the media staff.
Yeah, and
Andrew.
Andrew asante sana. Bado tunangojea chakula kingine.
Andrew.
All right, gentlemen, please enjoy, and we can mingle around, share our experiences from how we were young to old, from things to fat, from fat to thin.